now, you can't stop progress.
It's not a question of stopping it so much as just keeping up with it.
At IBM, our work is related to the paperwork explosion.
Specifically, the paperwork in an office.
Paperwork explosion.
There's always been a lot of paperwork in an office.
But today, there is more paperwork than ever before.
There's more than ever before.
Certainly more than there used to be.
In the past, there always seemed to be enough time and people to do the paperwork.
There always seemed to be enough time to do the paperwork.
There always seemed to be enough people to do the paperwork.
There always seemed to be enough time and people to do the paperwork.
But today, there isn't.
Today, there isn't enough time.
Today, there aren't enough people.
Today, everyone has to spend more time on paperwork. Management has to spend more time on paperwork.
Secretaries have to spend
more time on paperwork.
Companies have to spend more time
on paperwork.
Salesmen, brokers,
Engineers,
accountants,
lawyers, supervisors,
doctors, executives,
teachers,
Office managers,
bankers,
foremen,
bookkeepers.
everybody has to spend more time on paperwork.
Seems to me we could use some help.
I understand that IBM has a quarterly...
The ad says the IBM MT-ST can type error-free.
The IBM Office Products Division representative explained how it worked.
That IBM has always been one of the leaders in the field of office.
Last week I was talking to a guy about a machine that IBM makes. It's called an MT-ST. Dictation is recorded on a magnetic belt.
runs off a battery.
It's right here in this magazine.
A whole system of IBM Office Products Division equipment throughout the entire office.
IBM can help you with the time it takes to do the paperwork.
With IBM dictation equipment,
I can get 4 times as much thinking recorded
as I can by writing it down,
and twice as much as I can by dictating to a highly skilled secretary.
Now the IBM MT-ST here turns rough draft into error-free copy
automatically at the rate of a page every 2 minutes.
Used systematically throughout an office, these 2 pieces of IBM equipment alone have increased people's productivity by 50%.
IBM machines can do the work.
So that people have time to think.
Machines should do the work.
That's what they're best at.
People should do the thinking. That's what they're best at. Machines should work. People should think.
Machines
should work.
People should think.
Machines should work. People should think.
So I don't do much work anymore. I'm too busy thinking.